unusual today?
What is that? I didn't notice anything unusual.
What day is today?
I think Mommy knows the day. What?
Today is Zion's birthday.
What?
It is Zion's birthday.
Zion, is your birthday today? Yes.
Daddy, there is another good news.
What is that? But before the other good news, we need to sing a happy birthday. Zion deserve a happy birthday. So let us sing. Happy birthday, Zion. Happy birthday, Zion. Ready? Sing.
Happy birthday, Zion.
Happy birthday, Zion. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Zion. Yay!
Daddy, here is the other good news.
What is that?
I have won the election as president in my school.
Wow! So, we deserve to celebrate because we have two reasons to celebrate today. Are you in with that?
Yes.
Okay, where do you like to go?
Let's ask the birthday boy.
Let's ask the birthday boy. Where he like to go? Birthday boy, where you like to go?
Look, Landers.
Louder?
Landers.
Mommy, Zion like to go to London's Bacolod to celebrate his birthday. How about PJ? Where do you like to go, PJ?
The same as Zion.
Where?
Landers.
Well, okay guys. So, let's go to Landers Bacolod!
But wait, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down a happy birthday for my brother Zion. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!